In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up DNS in WHM cPanel on Godaddy. Whether you're building a new website or managing multiple domains, knowing how to configure your DNS settings correctly is essential for ensuring your site functions seamlessly. Let's dive in and break the process down step by step. First, we want to start by logging into WHM, which stands for Web Host Manager. WHM is a powerful tool that allows you to manage multiple cPanel accounts, making it perfect for those managing several websites. To log in, simply enter your WHM login credentials in your browser's address bar, followed by your username and password. Once you're in, you should see the WHM dashboard, which offers a variety of tools and options to help you in your hosting journey. Next, it's time to create name servers within WHM. Name servers essentially act as the middlemen, directing traffic from one place to another. From the WHM dashboard, search for Edit DNS Zone in the search bar, which is typically found on the left-hand side. Click on it and you'll be presented with a list of domains. Select the domain you wish to modify, and then you'll need to create two new records. Usually these records will look something like ns1.yourdomain.com and ns2.yourdomain.com. Make sure to save your changes, as this is crucial in setting up your name servers correctly. After setting up your name servers in WHM, the next step is to register them on Godaddy. Head over to your Godaddy account and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the section where you manage domains and select the domain for which you want to register name servers. Look for a section labeled Add Name Server or something similar, and then input the name servers you created earlier. It's essential to ensure these match exactly to avoid any connectivity issues. Once entered, don't forget to save your changes. Now we move on to updating your domain's name servers in Godaddy. Go back to your domain manager on Godaddy and find your domain settings. Locate the section for name servers, often marked as default settings, and switch them to custom. You can then input the custom name servers you set up earlier. Saving these changes is crucial for them to take effect. The next step is to configure your DNS zone in WHM cPanel, which is vital for mapping domain names to IP addresses. Do this by returning to WHM and accessing the Edit DNS zone again. Here, ensure that the settings align with your hosting and desired configurations, adding any additional records necessary for your website. Finally, verify the DNS propagation, ensuring all systems recognize your domain's updated settings. This can take up to 48 hours globally. You can use online tools like What's My DNS to monitor this propagation. And there you have it. You've successfully set up DNS in WHM cPanel on Godaddy. Remember, understanding these configurations is key to effective website management and ensuring your site runs smoothly. Thanks for tuning in and happy hosting.